Part 1. Booking a hotel room for a vacation.
You have some time to look at the questions.
Receptionist. Good afternoon. Welcome to Seaside Bliss Hotel. How can I help you today? Customer. Hi there. I'm planning a vacation with my family and would like to book a room at your hotel. Receptionist. Wonderful. May I know the dates of your stay? Customer. Yes. We're planning to arrive on the 10th of June and stay for 5 nights. Receptionist. Great. How many people will be staying? Customer. 2 adults and 1 child. Our son is 6 years old. Receptionist. Perfect. I recommend our deluxe family room. It has a king-size bed and a small sofa bed for children. It also comes with sea view, complimentary breakfast, and access to the kids' play area. Customer. That sounds lovely. How much does it cost per night? Receptionist. The deluxe family room is $180 per night. 4 or 5 nights. It will be a total of $900. We're also offering a 10% discount for early bookings this month. Customer. Oh, that's great. What's included in the price? Receptionist. It includes daily breakfast, access to the pool and fitness center, free Wi-Fi, and a guided beach walk on your second day. Customer. Sounds perfect. I'd like to go ahead and book it. Receptionist. Excellent. Could I have your name and contact details to confirm the reservation? Customer. Sure. It's Sarah Thompson, and my phone number is 555-123-7890. My email is sarah.t@gmail.com. Receptionist. Thank you, Ms. Thompson. I've booked your stay from June 10th to June 15th in a deluxe family room. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly. Customer. Wonderful. Thank you so much for your help. Receptionist. You're most welcome. We look forward to welcoming you and your family. Have a great day.
Part 2. Instructions for applying government grant.
You have some time to look at the questions.
Applying for a government grant can be a valuable opportunity for small business owners, especially those looking to expand, recover from financial difficulties, or invest in new ideas. The process may seem complex at first, but with the right steps, it becomes manageable. The first thing you need to do is visit the official government grant portal and create an account if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, browse through the available grant programs and select the one that fits your business needs, for instance, the Small Business Support Grant. Before you begin your application, make sure to read all the eligibility criteria carefully. Most grants require your business to be registered, active for a minimum period, and located within the country. After confirming your eligibility, start gathering the required documents. Typically, you'll need your business registration certificate, recent bank statements, a valid government-issued ID, and a written proposal or business plan explaining how the grant will be used. All of these documents should be scanned and ready to upload. The application process is fully online. You'll fill out the form, upload your documents, and then submit. A confirmation email is sent once your application is successfully received. From there, the review process usually takes between 4 to 6 weeks, during which officials will assess your eligibility and your proposed use of funds. If approved, the funds will be directly deposited into your business bank account. Make sure to submit your application before the deadline, which in many cases is the 30th or 31st of the month. If you face any problems or have questions during the process, support is available through the government helpline at 1-800-123-456, open Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Being organized, submitting accurate documents, and applying early can greatly improve your chances of receiving the grant.
Part 3. A professor explaining importance of internship.
You have some time to look at the questions.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to talk to you about something that is just as important as your academic grades: internships. Many students underestimate the value of internships, thinking that they can wait until after graduation to gain work experience. But the truth is, internships are one of the most effective ways to bridge the gap between your education and the professional world. Internships provide you with the opportunity to apply the knowledge you've gained in the classroom to real-world situations. They give you hands-on experience that helps you understand how companies operate, what challenges professionals face daily, and how solutions are developed and implemented. This practical exposure not only reinforces what you've learned but often teaches you things you simply cannot learn from books. Another key benefit is professional networking. During your internship, you'll meet industry professionals, people who can mentor you, provide recommendations, or even offer you job opportunities in the future. In many cases, internships act as a foot in the door. In fact, it's not uncommon for companies to offer full-time positions to interns who show dedication, reliability, and potential. Internships also help you discover your interests. Sometimes, students think they know what they want to do, but after working in that field, they realize it's not what they expected. Internships give you a chance to explore different roles, industries, and work environments without long-term commitment. You might find that you enjoy working in a different department, or even a completely different field, than what you originally planned. From an employer's point of view, a student who has completed one or more internships is often seen as more prepared, more serious, and more capable of adjusting quickly to a new role. It shows initiative, motivation, and a willingness to learn, all of which are qualities employers look for. In competitive job markets, internship experience can be the deciding factor between two equally qualified candidates. Also, consider how much internships can boost your personal growth. You'll learn time management, improve your communication skills, develop confidence, and understand workplace etiquette. You will be part of meetings, solve problems, meet deadlines, and maybe even handle real responsibilities that impact the business. All of this builds not only your resume but your confidence as a future professional. So, my advice to all of you is this: don't wait until you graduate to start thinking about work experience. Start looking for internships now, whether during the summer break, weekends, or even part-time during the semester. Make use of your university's career services, attend job fairs, and reach out to companies you admire. The sooner you start, the better prepared you'll be when you enter the job market. Remember, an internship is not just a temporary position, it's a stepping stone to your future.
Part 4. The role of emotional intelligence in leadership.
You have some time to look at the questions.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I'd like to talk about an essential quality that truly defines great leaders but is often overlooked: emotional intelligence, or EI. While technical skills, knowledge, and strategic thinking are crucial for any leader, emotional intelligence is what allows leaders to connect, inspire, and lead effectively in the long run. Emotional intelligence refers to the ability to understand, manage, and regulate one's own emotions, while also being aware of and sensitive to the emotions of others. In the context of leadership, this means being able to stay calm under pressure, show empathy, communicate clearly, and resolve conflicts with grace. A leader who lacks emotional intelligence may be brilliant in their field, but they will likely struggle with team dynamics, motivation, and long-term team success. One of the most important components of emotional intelligence is self-awareness, knowing your strengths, weaknesses, triggers, and how your behavior affects others. A self-aware leader can take feedback without becoming defensive and is willing to admit mistakes, which builds trust within the team. Closely related to this is self-regulation, or the ability to control emotional reactions. A leader who can manage stress, avoid impulsive decisions, and respond to challenges calmly sets a positive example for others to follow. Another critical element is empathy, the capacity to understand the perspectives and emotions of others. Empathetic leaders create a safe space where team members feel heard and valued. This leads to higher morale, better communication, and stronger collaboration. When employees feel understood, they are more likely to stay engaged and motivated. Social skills also play a major role. Leaders with strong social awareness can manage relationships effectively, handle workplace dynamics, and influence people positively. They are better at resolving conflicts, encouraging teamwork, and guiding their teams through change or uncertainty. Lastly, emotional intelligence contributes to decision-making. Leaders who understand the emotions behind people's reactions can make more informed and thoughtful choices. They don't just focus on facts and figures, they consider the human impact as well. This kind of leadership builds loyalty, respect, and long-term success for any organization. In conclusion, emotional intelligence is not just a soft skill, it's a core leadership strength. It impacts how a leader communicates, manages, and supports their team. In today's diverse and fast-changing work environments, emotional intelligence is not optional, it's essential. The good news is that emotional intelligence can be developed through self-reflection, feedback, and practice. The more a leader works on it, the better they lead, not just with their minds, but with their hearts as well.
Now it's time to check your answers. You can pause your video.